All right, check 1, 2. What's up, guys? I just got a new mic and with an extremely long wire. All right, everything working? Everything working? Check 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, we're gonna shoot some content today. Let's go. What's up, guys? We are here inside my first flip, and today is Tuesday, June 22nd. And yeah, everything is going great. We had our first open house this past Sunday. I had one of my teammates, Jay, he helped me and it was a good time. Every new realtor's initiation into the business. Nope, you got it, Jay. Come on, you got it. Yep. Let's go, rookie. All right. And we had a lot of people. And even before the open house, throughout the whole week, we had like 30 showings, lots of interest, as I expected, and we got multiple offers, all of them over asking, and we decided to work with one which was really killer offer. I can't say what price it is right now, but when this is sold, I will tell you guys all about it, give you breakdowns and everything. So by the time you're watching this, we'll be in escrow already. And we are officially in escrow! Let's go! We are celebrating tonight. Cheers to myself for believing in myself. Let's go! Enough about this flip. Let's go check out my second flip. What is up, guys? All right, here we are inside this next flip that I am currently under contract in. And I've been in contracts. A little story behind this is I've been in contract in this property for, I think, since May, probably like over a month ago. And I was supposed to close on this June 15, which was last week, but we were experiencing delays with escrow and attorneys and paperwork and all of that. So we're just kind of at a standstill right now, but we're just waiting for those documents to come in and then we'll be ready to go. I'll have close on this and I'll begin work. But as you can see from everything here and in the B-roll that I'll put in this video, that there's really not much work to be done in this home. I actually found this home from a wholesaler and it was through a Facebook group, and it looks like there's not that much work to be done. And judging from the comps that I've seen in this neighborhood alone, I think I could sell it for a good amount, but we'll see because the market's unpredictable. But as it stands right now, it's looking really good. Here's the kitchen. One of the things I have to do is replace this guy right here. I actually made a TikTok last month about this home, and I opened this and it was just nasty. Like, there's food and mold there from like, I don't know, probably over a year old, and it was disgusting. I almost threw up when I opened this. But yeah, this house is a 3-bedroom, and I wanna say a 3-bath, 3-bedroom, 3-bath. And what's cool is on the bottom floor, you have this room right here. It's not an actual room because it's not closed, but you can make it a office, or, you know, like a den or a game room, or you could close this up right here and then make it a 4th bedroom. So having this bedroom down here on the first floor, I think adds a lot of value, like tremendous value. One of the reasons that I could think of is because here in Hawaii, we have a lot of multi-generational living. So if someone has like their grandma or grandpa, you know, their grandparents, or anyone else that's living with them that is kind of older and they can't go up steps often, you know, that bedroom in the fourth bedroom here on the first floor would be super good, super beneficial for them. So I think having that is gonna make a lot of value. Making our way upstairs, and this is in a nice neighborhood. It's a luxury neighborhood here in Eva Beach, my hometown, and I grew up near this neighborhood, so I knew right away when I saw this come up, I was like, oh my gosh, right now it is so hard to find a property in this neighborhood. Once it comes on the market, it's just, you know, a feeding frenzy, and everyone wants to buy in this neighborhood. So right when I saw it, I was like, okay, I gotta get this right away. In the master bedroom. And what's cool, we'll go out in a minute, is that there is a lanai here. You can't really see. Let me change the focus. Here we're stepping on the balcony, or what we here call in Hawaii the lanai. But really nice space. You know, you could put a little chair or, you know, anything here to just chill. Here's the neighborhood and the neighbors. As you can see, it's a really nice, beautiful luxury neighborhood over here. Great place. Here is, you know, nice office space. I really like this. it's just some empty space. And I like how the developer put some desks over here, so it's like, space that wouldn't be put to waste. And as you can see, there's really not much work to be done. I mean, there's like, everything's dirty. That's pretty much it. So I'm probably just gonna repaint these walls, keep it simple. I mean, this is a really nice, desirable neighborhood to begin with. You have this third bathroom over here that's connected to the other bedroom. I believe this is called a Romeo and Juliet bathroom, I think. I should know this because I'm a realtor, but maybe I'm wrong, I don't know. And then here is the third bedroom. Oh yeah, there's really not much except this little guy right here. Probably just patch that up. And the floors, I think this is wood vinyl all throughout the house. Yeah, it's everywhere. Pretty much just gotta paint the walls, and then just clean the floors. And that's pretty much it for this. Let's go check out the garage and the backyard. And here's pretty much the backyard. As you can see, the yard hasn't really been taken care of, but I'm not really too worried about this. This is just really minor fixing. It's been vacant for like a year now, so I'm just gonna assume, no one's been taking care of it. So all you have to do is just, reseed everything, trim the bushes, trim the trees, trim the lawn, and we should be good. This is the garage, which we'll go to in a second. Gotta just clean the side. That's pretty much it. And just trim all of this. And here is the garage. It's a 2-car garage, and this is the owner's old stuff just left here. So pretty much I just gotta take all of this junk out and we'll be good to go. But yeah. And that is pretty much it with this whole entire home. I mean, as you can see, like, there's really not much work to be done, and I think I got it at a good price, and I think I could sell it at an even better price. And all I have to do is replace that fridge, also this microwave here, repaint all the walls, get all the junk out of the garage, and then re-landscape the backyard and also the front yard as well. And just clean everything, make sure it's all swept, mop, and yeah, pretty much it. But we'll just have to wait until all these documents come in, and then we can get this going, and then we can make some YouTube videos. But yeah, I'm super excited with how my first flip came. Now I just really want to flip everything. And this home, I'm super excited for this home because I grew up in this neighborhood, and it's gonna be, I guess, like a full circle moment where I get to, start my second flip in this neighborhood. But yeah, I am definitely rambling, and I don't know what else to say, but that is pretty much it. So thank you guys again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment how much you think I'm gonna spend on this renovation in the comments below. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.